Daily cleaning for the Turbochef double and single batch ovens. Follow these steps when cleaning your double or single batch oven. Use only Turbochef approved cleaning chemicals. Failure to adhere to these procedures or the use of any other cleaning products may damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. To clean the Turbochef double or single batch oven, you will need Turbochef oven cleaner, Turbochef oven guard, nylon scrub pad, and clean towels. You will need to wash, rinse, sanitize, and dry each part after removing them. Do not use a hose or water jet on any parts for this oven. Step 1. Cool the oven. Turn both ovens off by touching the off icon. The ovens operate at temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 285 degrees Celsius and may cause injury if not allowed to cool properly. Open the oven doors. Cooling takes approximately 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the oven displays "oven off, ready to clean." Next, remove the wire racks. Caution: make sure the oven is cool before removing the wire racks. Unscrew the thumb screws on the top and bottom jet plate to remove the mounting brackets. Remove the top and bottom jet plates. Remove the grease filter from the oven. To remove, lift the grease filter by the handle and pull forward. Caution: do not scrub the grease filter or use a water jet when cleaning. Next, clean the cook chambers. Use a food vacuum or damp towel to remove food particles from the top and bottom oven cook chambers. Spray oven cleaner onto the top, bottom, and side of the oven cook chamber. For stubborn stains, spray oven cleaner and allow it to penetrate for 5 minutes. Caution: do not spray oven cleaner into the holes on the back of the oven wall or on the lamps. Clean the top and bottom oven cook chambers with a nylon scrub pad. Wipe the cook chambers with a clean, damp towel and then a dry towel. Clean the oven doors. Clean the metal portion of the top and bottom oven doors with oven cleaner and a nylon scrub pad. Gently clean the glass windows with oven cleaner and a cleaning towel. Wipe the oven door and window with a clean, damp towel and then a dry towel. Caution: do not apply force when cleaning the glass windows. Breakage may occur. Apply oven guard. Spray oven guard onto a clean towel. Wipe the interior walls and the inside of the oven doors on both the top and bottom ovens. Caution: do not spray oven guard into the holes on the back oven walls or directly into the cook chamber lamps. Doing so can damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. Reinstall the top mounting brackets with the jet plate and screw in the thumb screws. Reinstall the grease filter. Reinstall the bottom mounting brackets with the jet plate and screw in the thumb screws. Reinstall the wire rack. Remove the air filter from the back of the oven. Rinse the air filter with hot water. During oven operation, the filter must remain in place at all times. Caution: Turbochef does not recognize blocked air vents as a warrantable claim. Clean the oven exterior. Wipe the back of the oven with a clean, damp towel. Caution: do not spray chemicals into any openings. Doing so can damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. Remove and clean the exhaust cover. Remove the 2 screws securing the exhaust cover. Pull the exhaust cover to remove it from the oven. Spray or soak the exhaust cover to remove any grease. Wipe the back of the oven with a clean, damp towel. To reinstall the exhaust cover, align the tabs on the exhaust cover with the slots on the oven and secure it with screws. Reinstall the air filter. The oven is now ready to use.